How to resize objects in Figma. Being able to adjust the size of the elements is crucial for creating the perfect layout and design. So let's dive right in. Alright, let's get into how to resize an object. Simplest method is by using the resizing handles, obviously. So let's say this is a rectangle, right? You have to select the rectangle or any object you want to resize. You'll see small square handles at every corner of the rectangle, right? And you can simply click and drag one of the corner to resize the object while maintaining into proportions. If you want to resize it from the side, just grab it one of the side handle and drag it like this, as you can see. And that's the basic way and most basic way to resize your object in Figma. For more precise resizing, you can also use the properties panel at the right side. You can see the width, go into the layout, there's the dimensions and width and height. You can simply enter the exact dimension you want for your object. You can type in numbers or use arrows to adjust size incrementally. So let's say I want to give it more let's type in the size. Sorry, it's 200. And let's make it more even, 200 by 200, and hit enter, and there you go. This method is perfect when you need to be exact with the measurements. And yeah, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and happy designing. See you in the next video.